In 1815, the eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia was so powerful it altered global weather patterns, leading to the year without a summer. Crops failed, and famine spread across Europe and North America. In the midst of this chaos, Mary Shelley, vacationing in Switzerland, found herself trapped indoors by the relentless cold. It was during this time that she penned Frankenstein, a novel that would forever change the landscape of literature. Could a volcanic eruption truly inspire a literary masterpiece? This bizarre twist of fate reminds us of nature's unpredictable influence on human creativity.